Marginal Beauty Excel 2020 is going to be amazing, and I just wanted to give you an overview of the things that I'm involved with this year. So on the Sunday the 29th of March, I'm hosting 2 salon business workshops. One with Marianne Page in the morning, and that is from 10 until 12. And what we're doing is putting together a plan with you for the rest of the year, because we're already a quarter of the way through 2020. And if you haven't achieved your targets yet, then really you need to be maximising for the rest of the year. On the afternoon as well, I am also hosting another workshop, and that is with Sue Ingram, who is an HR specialist in handling awkward situations. That workshop is on clients being booked a year in advance. And I know you might say, oh, that our clients wouldn't do that, but I do this with clients all the time, have their books booked out a full year in advance. So what we're doing is going through the whole process, but on top of that, Sue is handling all of the objections that both you might have and your team might have. And then on the Monday, I am hosting a seminar at 2 p.m. and that is on 20 simple ways to double your cash in clients. And I also have a 50% code for all of the seminars, so you can book any of them except the workshops with 50% discount with the code. So I would love to see you there either on the Sunday or the Monday.